In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix YouTube subscription. Your subscription haven't uploaded any videos yet problem. For fixing this problem, first of all, check your internet connection and make sure your internet connection is stable. And then go to settings. Now go to apps or apps management option. Now scroll down and find YouTube from the app list. Now tap on YouTube. And then go to storage option. Now clear cache your YouTube storage. Just tap on clear cache. Now press on back button. Tap on force stop. Tap on OK to confirm. Now go back to home screen. Now go to Play Store or App Store and then tap on search app. Now search YouTube. From here, update your YouTube apps in latest version. After completing update process, now restart your phone. After this step, your problem will be solved successfully. If still you are facing this problem, that means YouTube server is down right now. So wait few times. After few times, it will be solved automatically.